To make your 2-chamber bat house, all you will need is 4 6-foot cedar fence posts. Firstly, we're going to cut 3 boards at 26 inches. Then we're going to cut another 3 boards at 22 inches. Finally, we're going to cut 4 boards at 16.5 inches. I then ripped an 1/8 off each piece to allow for better glue up later. During the glue up stage, only glue up 3 of the front boards together, the 4th will be added on later. Since the bat house will be outside, make sure you are using an exterior wood glue. I then cut one of the ends on each of the 3 of the previously glued up boards on a 5-degree angle. From the leftover boards, I ripped a 1-inch piece off and used it as the top. I then ripped another leftover piece into 4 3/4-inch strips. Then cut them to the length of your glued up boards and cut the end to a 5-degree angle. This next step is where I made 1/16 cuts every 1 inch down the entire piece. I made these cuts on each of the inside pieces. This is to allow the bats to have a grip to climb up the bat house. I had some leftovers from the 3/4 pieces which I added to the middle of each layer for support, so the middle won't bow over time. Make sure to leave a slight gap between the bottom board on the front to allow as a vent for the bat house. As this project was a gift, I kept it as the natural cedar and left the recipient to stain or paint it the way they wanted. Depending on the climate, you may want it brown or black. Since all the boards have been cut on a 5-degree angle, the top board will sit on the bat house at an angle. Not a necessary step, but I cut out 2 bats from a scrap leftover cedar board and glued them onto the front of the bat house. Finally, I drilled a hole in the top and bottom to allow for easy installation.